be another one. I can feel it.
Whoa. Oh my God. Holy shit. Wow.
Oh, come on.
Wow. Oh my God. Dude, they're gonna need like a helicopter. Holy.
Hey. How are you? So you over at the office? Okay, I paused before you come over here. You probably can't get here anyway. The building across the road is exploding.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's exploding. There's been a good half dozen explosions already over there, and the flames are probably, oh, I don't know, 30, 50 feet high. Well, it just happened. There was a big loud boom, and then I just sort of looked out the window and saw fire trucks pulling up or whatever. And people kind of milling about on the front grass because they don't want to be closer.